Hi guys, do you know what is BGC? Do you know how companies will perform BGC? Do you know what documents we need to submit for BGC? If you don't know, then watch this video till the end. BGC means the background check. Nowadays, all the companies are performing strict BGC to identify the candidate is having genuine experience or not. When we are joining in the company, we need to submit several documents for BGC. Those are offer letter, hike letters, pay slips, bank statements, form 16, experience letter and relieving letter also. And nowadays companies are asking the people to log in the net banking in front of them to check the bank statements, and they are checking PF accounts, UAN number in the EPF portal. So please be very careful when you are going for the interviews with the experience. Thank you for watching. Please follow this page to get more updates related to software industry.